Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to Pattaya. And before we do that, I have 2 sales calls. Very quickly, we'll take care of them and get them in the door. Get that cash collected to spend in Pattaya. But yeah, I mean, you guys literally just saw my morning routine. That's literally all I do. I just shower, maybe, then make a coffee, and then hop right on the computer and hop on some sales calls. And then I go about the rest of my day. So that's pretty much the average morning routine. Yeah, we're going to take these sales calls right now. We have the snus. We have the coffee. He's already in the meeting room. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in, let him in, close the deal. And then we're going to go on our way to Pattaya. We're meeting Jan at the bus stop in like an hour, I believe. In an hour. So, yeah, wish me luck, guys. I'll see you afterwards. All right, guys. We're 1 for 1 right now. Only $200 commission, so not too shabby. But we have one more in 15 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever time it is. And we haven't even drank our coffee yet. Look at that. Some commission with no caffeine. Unheard of.
Guys, I missed the first bus. I thought I was going to make it. Packed as fast as I could, but did not make it. We're here with Jan now. Jan's back on the Appion calendar. So he's crushing. Let's go. Do you know how long this bus ride is? Like 2 hours, 3 hours? Not bad at all. Probably going to watch a movie, maybe take a nap, buzz away with the nicotine. But yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to Pattaya now. What is it, part 3, part 4, part 3? I think part 3. Yeah, this is part 3, guys. First time I went to Pattaya, I was flat broke. Second time, a little bit better. I think I was setting. Yeah, I was setting. Oh, bro, that was so hard. I was like staying up until like 5 a.m. and then going out with Jan, the Russians, and like at fucking 12 p.m. So not a fun time, but now we have a very good sleep schedule. We're dialed in, so now we can actually enjoy it this time. But it's very loud here. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but if not, I'll see you guys on the bus. Yeah. We did get scammed a bit. We thought we were going to be on a bigger bus, but we got the van. It's no problem at all.
Alright, guys. We're in Indian town now. I mean, Pattaya. But yeah, bro. I almost died, guys, in the van on the way here. I drank too much Gatorade, and it was like a 2-hour trip, no breaks, so I was on the verge of exploding with pee, but just relieved ourselves. And now we got off a few stops early just because it's about to explode in the van. But we're about to just take some bikes, maybe a car to the Airbnb, and I'll show you guys, give you guys a quick tour of where we're staying the next 3 to 4 days. So yeah, see you guys there. All right, guys, quick glimpse of the tour. We got the kitchen, living room, some snacks. No way, bro. Let's go. Got the pool, as you guys saw earlier. Got some lounge area, nice little cloud chair. Guys, we just ordered a fat pizza. I mean, like pepperoni, bacon, sausage. Me and y'all are gonna devour the entire thing. And then probably hit the gym, because if we went home, we wouldn't wake up until like 5 a.m. So we're gonna definitely turn this car into fuel and hit the gym, get massive. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Probably do some work, and then yeah, go chill with some Russians. Maybe my friend Matt. Yeah, I mean, you guys will see. So I'll see you guys after. I'll see you guys when the food gets here.
We're paying for the steak.
Yeah, guys. We were looking on Google Maps for places to eat, and we found this one place, Little Red Pizza and Food. And on the pictures, it had like a ribeye steak, like one of the most juiciest ribeye steaks I've ever seen.
At least 600 grams.
Yeah, at least 600 grams. So I was like, oh my gosh. I mean, Jan saw it, I was like, oh shit, we have to go there. Came here, and apparently you need to order the steak 5 days before you can eat it. So they have to go out, hunt, kill the cow, marinate the meat, hang it up to dry, and then they cook it, and then it's ready to eat. So I mean, we're only gonna be here like 3 days, so we're just gonna smash down a pizza. Thank you, Cup. Bam, guys, the pizza. I actually had an appetizer of olive oil. Just tastes pretty good. But we're gonna mix it with the pizza now. Jan and I are about to dive in, max out the calories.
Back to American diet.
Yeah, back to American diet, minus the ranch. But let's go. And guys, I want to give this quick review of this is the best pizza place in Pattaya. Come visit.
Okay.
What's it called? Little Red Oven.
It's a red oven.
What's the best meal you'd recommend to them watching right now? Best meal, like best pizza.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Yeah.
Classic pepperoni, guys. You can't go wrong with that. Fill your stomach, make you happy, and you'll have a good time here.
Yeah, thank
Bye-bye.
you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Here we go. Boom.
All right, guys, we just got done smashing down that magnificent pizza, and now I'm watching the sunset. It's almost setting, but now we're letting the food digest, you know, getting all the nutrients in the right areas, and then we're gonna go head straight to the gym and use the carbs to our benefit, and use the energy for good instead of bad, which we could just use, you know, using it as napping fuel. But yeah, real quick before we go out, while our food digests, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour with the drone of this entire villa. Maybe do a voiceover, maybe put some music over. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, let's go ahead and cut to that right now. All right, guys, so as you can see, that's me waving right there. This is our villa, and you guys can check out the sunset real quick. Let's look over here to the right. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. What a beautiful sunset. Perfect timing. Oh, that bird almost just hit us. What a fucking bird. All right, so now we're gonna come back. We're gonna go down before this bird tries to eat us, so let's go over here. Let's give you guys a quick tour of the whole place. Go ahead and head down. Yon right behind me. You want to say what's up real quick?
What's up, boys?
We're going to give him a quick villa tour. Boom. All right, let's go ahead and go down. You guys can check out the pool area real quick. Look at this, guys. Whole pool. Got the jets. We're going to go ahead and check out the living room first. Let's see if we can make it through this door. We can go straight down a bit. Oh, it's a little bit tight, but you know, we like it tight, so we're gonna go ahead and move to the right a bit. I'm gonna try to squeeze in this thing. Got some parkour. All right. Oh, we barely squeezed in there. Right now we have like the little kitchen. This isn't the main kitchen. We have like the seating areas where Jan has blasting music, the Osmos. Here's the mini living room as well. I'm gonna go over here a little bit to the couch. Nice little area as well. Got the Wi-Fi router, the TV, nice little marbling. And then we're going to go over here, turn around. There's a big giant speaker we're going to blast the music to. And then we'll go over here to the main kitchen. Watch out a wall. There we go. Here's the main kitchen. We got cups. I forgot what's in there. Do you remember? It's like a garage or something? Yeah, I have no idea. So yeah, not very important. But yeah, let's go out back here. Oh, that's a little window. I never even saw that. Little bump, guys. No worries. Oh, shit. All right, let's go ahead and head upstairs. Come on, guys. Don't be afraid of some stairs. Let's go up here. All right, guys. Up a little bit more. Bam, we're up. All right, and we'll go check out Jan's room. Oh, there's Jan. Ah, let's go check out the master bedroom. Jan, can we fit through this door? Got to find out. Hard way. It's the master bedroom, guys. Jan booked it, so he gets the master bedroom. He's got a nice little balcony. I think the best part about Jan's room is the place where he's working. So he has the bathroom right here, but on his left, this is like a walk-in closet. Let's see if we can get in here. It's a little bit dark. All right, Jan, can you turn the lights on in your the closet? In your bedroom. On Jan's coming, guys. There we go. Look at this, guys. Jan has like a walk-in closet. It's pretty sick. Where's Jan? He's in here somewhere. So bathroom. Pretty sick bathroom. Let's go back out of here. I'm in sports mode. That's why I'm flying so recklessly. Where are we? Look at Mr. Jan and the Osmos. Oh my goodness. What a pleasant surprise. So yeah, we have another bedroom downstairs, but we'll ignore that for now. Go into my room, which is where the remote is. That's where I am. Go in here. Ah, what's up, guys? Long time no see. How's everything been? Welcome to Pattaya. See how high we can go, guys. We still have 54% battery left. Woo, the B-roll. Oh shit, we're actually super high up. All right, let's hope no eagles get us. Look at the view, guys. What is that over there? There's no way it's Bangkok, right?
No, that's Pattaya City.
Pattaya City. So Rayong is that way. Let's see how far we can look down. Where are we? Oh, there we are. We're on the... There we are. What's up, guys?
Land like that?
Yeah. All right, guys, on your descent, we'll go ahead and look around. We're going straight down right now, hopefully. Bit of wind. Look at this beautiful, beautiful nature, guys. This is the beautiful part of Pattaya. The sunset is magnificent. This is where we ate, right over there, that little red building, I believe, on the left. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the villa tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I think this is pretty much it for the video as well. Traveling to Pattaya, part 3. With some Russians we're going to hang out with. We're going to hang out with Matt, Sergi, Luke, a few other people, hopefully, and have a really good time. So, see you guys in the next one.